Hi and welcome to Couture TV with Stephanie. This is episode 28 and it's all about Winkle glitter markers. Here at Couture Creations we have new colors available. So there's a total of 17 vibrant, brilliant colors to choose from. If you don't know what Winkle glitter markers are, this is your time to get started. It is essentially a marker with color and glitter inside. So this is the easiest way to use glitter mess-free. Let's get started. So today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday card using parchment vellum. It's A4 in size and you get 10 in a pack. All I did was run this through my printer and I printed off a happy birthday, and I also cut it down to size of my card. We'll also be using my favorite thing, which is our Winkles glitter markers. Now we have new colors in stock as well. I'll put them aside, and all you need is your Go Letterpress removable craft tape. So let's get started. With the tape, all I'm going to do is cover the happy birthday because I want to protect that. I don't want to color that part. And I'm going to tape it to the bottom here so it doesn't move as well. So let's get that part all sorted. I'm also going to tape a little bit of the bottom nice and straight, and also a little bit of the top. About there. Okay. So what I'm going to do is tape up in sections where I want to have some birthday candles. So I want one birthday candle over this side. So I'm just going to tape it off like so. Give it a nice press because we don't want the Winkle glitters markers going underneath there. I'm going to use the Fuchsia's Pink. Give it a bit of a shake. And all I'm going to do is color that part in, just like that. And this part here. So I'm just making candles, all different colors. And you can see the glitter inside, it's already sparkly. This is a great way to use glitter without a mess because it's actually in the textile. Pull this one off, and this one. Okay, for my next candle, I'll have one going down this way. About there. Just give it a rub. My next color I'm going to use is my Parisian blue. Give it a shake. This is one of our new colors. Give it a bit more shake just to get the glitter moving in there. That's better. Sometimes you just need to shake it up if they've been sitting for a while to get the glitter and the color moving around. There we go. Got some stunning colors. There's our blue. Pop that away. I can pull the tape off that now. I'm going to do another candle, and I'm just making them a little bit wonky. I don't want them all straight. I want them not uniformed. About there. And I'm going to go in with the orange. Bit of a shake. I love how quick it is to color with the Winkles. It's not like a normal marker. It has like a brush tip, so you can go as fine as you like or as thick as you like and quite quickly. There we go. And if you like to go darker, you just go one layer on top again. Just want to get all those corners in, just like that. All right, let's move the tape off again. Okay, our last candle, I'm going to make this one go a little bit straight, actually a bit closer. There we go. Just like that. I'm going to use the purple for this one, give it a bit of a shake. And color in. Nice and quick and flawless. And just the bottom of the candle. And this dries up pretty quick. And when it starts drying up, that's when you can see the glitter at its best. Okay, let's pull that off. And this side. And the top. And the bottom. And I'm just going to turn it around, and I'm going to use the gold to make the flames on the candles. So I'm just going to do the outline first and then color it in. Just like that. So just use the tip for the outline, and then I'm just coloring it in, just like that. One more. There we go. Pop that away. Take that part off. Turn it around. All-purpose art glue. A little bit of glue on the edges. I like to use glue for this part and not double-sided tape, because the double-sided tape, you can actually see it through the paper. So this glue, you cannot see it. So I like to use the all-purpose art glue. I'm going to pop that aside. I'm going to get my scoring board, my card. I'm going to score it in half. Pop that down. I am going to glue my card in place. Nice and straight. See how you can't see the glue? Nice. Fold over my card. And there you have it. Easy peasy happy birthday card using Winkle glitter markers. And if you go up nice and close, you can see all the glitter sparkling. I hope you like this easy peasy happy birthday card tutorial with the Winkles. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you here back next week. Bye.